red-winged blackbird is very distinctive. You can see his red and yellow wing. The red-winged blackbird is very common in North America, and he has a very distinctive song. The American robin is a very common sight in North America, and you can see him looking for earthworms on the lawn. Listen for the robin's song. From the forest to your yard, you can find the American robin almost anywhere in North America. Check out a bird guide from your library and you will be able to learn more about your favorite birds.